This is Entertainment 97. Entertainment 97. Welcome to Entertainment 97. For the love of music, information, reviews, the movies, and the party scene. Entertainment 97.
Coming up, local and international entertainment news highlights, Entertainment Flashback in 60 seconds, and check this out. Good afternoon, I'm Heather Cummings-Williams, and this is Entertainment 97. In local entertainment news, in this time when things are tough, any help is greatly appreciated. Bounty Killer continues on his philanthropic path through his Bounty Foundation with the donation of 40 tablets to the Seaview Gardens Primary School. The donation will positively impact with our new normal of virtual learning in schools. Bounty is a past student of Seaview Gardens Primary as well as a native of that community. The contribution is part of the Bounty's Each One Teach One initiative. In international entertainment news, the Fast and Furious franchise has made it known they're unstoppable as they announced their latest film, F9, is well underway. The new slated time for the release is June 25, and a new trailer for the upcoming movie was released last week. Due to the coronavirus pandemic, the movie comes almost 1 year after its original May 2020 release date, but they're returning with a bang. Following F9, Universal has plans to also release a 10th and 11th film, which will also pave the way for spin-offs. Are you ready for the excitement? This week's Entertainment Flashback in 60 seconds sheds some spotlight on Bunny Lee, also known as Striker. In 1968, Striker became one of the first Jamaican figures to fly to London at the invitation of the manager of Island Records, Chris Blackwell. Bunny Striker Lee was a producer who had a great influence in reggae history, working to expand the parameters of studio technology like no other before him. He worked alongside fellow engineer and reggae legend King Tubby to ensure every rhythm was creative and up to speed. Bunny Lee, born Edward O'Sullivan Lee on August 23, 1941, entered the music industry in 1962 after being introduced by his brother Derek Morgan. By the mid-60s, Bunny Lee was working with the likes of Ken Lack's Caltone imprint, where he produced his first record, Listen to the Beat, in 1967 by Lloyd Jackson and the Groovers. By 1971, he was working side by side with the dub royalty King Tubby, and the pair produced the finest music of their respective careers. In the peak of Bunny's career, between 1969 and 1977, he had already produced thousands of records with a mixture of vocal sides, DJ records, and dub versions, which all spun off each other. Lee also worked with Alton Ellis and Ken Booth before his work began to decline, and then eased into retirement. Some say he knew his place in reggae history was already secure. And that's your quick bite for this week. Catch us again same time, same place for a continuation of this epic entertainment flashback in 60 seconds. Go check out the classical, iconic, and third place top reggae holder on the Billboards 21 years after its release. It Wasn't Me by Shaggy, featuring Ricardo Ducent. The song possibly has nostalgic vibes for many of us, as it still remains an unforgettable single today. The track is timeless and will always get you grooving. KOOL97FM urges you to continue following COVID-19 rules put in place for your safety. And that's it for Entertainment 97. I'm Heather Cummings-Williams. Thanks to technical producer Edson Johnson and producer Abigail Wilson. Join us again next Friday for more Entertainment 97.
This is the nation's coolest. Kool 97 FM.